Hey, it's Howard Neller from the Listening Chair. Thanks for joining us. We're here again at the in another room at the Florida International Audio Expo 2026. I'm here with Mashida-san from Esoteric. Mashida-san came all the way from Tokyo, right?
Yes.
And so I'm looking forward to hearing what Mashida-san has brought to the show here. And so before we do, let me just say we have a new website out. It's www.thelisteningchair.net. Check it out. We'll have our show coverage up there. Also, we'll have show coverage on our YouTube channel. And also check out our Facebook group and our Facebook page, both under the Listening Chair. So without any further ado, Mashida-san, can you tell me about yours? Can you tell everybody about yourself and what you brought here today?
Thank you very much. My name is Hiroyuki Machida from Esoteric, Japan. And my role is brand manager. And I'm doing the PR our product.
Okay, and so when I took my trip to Tokyo to Japan 10 years ago, whatever that was, you were the gentleman who met me, greeted me there, and took me through the factory.
Yes.
So again, thank you for that.
Thank you very much.
That was an excellent tour. I really appreciated that. You guys are in the. Can you tell everybody, is the factory where is the factory located as far as, because Tokyo is a big place, right?
Yes, the factory is located close to the Kanagawa prefecture.
Okay.
It's a mountainside.
Okay.
And it's our own factory, and also we can produce not only the assembly, but also we produce our in-house designed PC board.
Right. I saw the machine. I saw the machines that you guys used. It was very impressive. So, what have you brought here to the show today?
Okay. This year's highlight is our new product, Grandioso N1. This is a network streamer DAC.
Okay.
From the Grandioso line.
That's pretty new, right?
Yes. Okay. Last year we introduced two new streamer in a Grandioso line.
Right.
And one is a transport type, so there is no DAC inside. But this one is a new one with a DAC inside.
Now, everybody waited a long time, as I know, for this component, correct?
Yes.
And why was that? Why did you guys not have a flagship Grandioso streamer for so long?
Yes, it actually takes a lot of time to get a good sounding network streamer.
Okay.
And also we all carry a SCD product is our core business. So we don't want to spoil the core business. So we started with the entry model and gradually
worked up?
Yes.
Okay.
And finally, we reached to the Grandioso level product.
It's beautiful, as are all the Esoteric components. The way they're machined is just absolutely gorgeous. I know you are with Esoteric, and you're not the distributor, but do you know what the United States pricing is on this?
Pricing is 45,000.
Okay. Okay. Great. And then what else do we have here?
Okay. The network streamer is Grandioso N1, and we also have a SSD player.
Okay.
Grandioso K1 XSE.
Okay.
And these two models are like brothers.
So there's no DAC in the transport, correct?
This one has a DAC.
Oh, that one has a DAC. Okay.
And this one also has a DAC.
Right. That one has. So which DAC are we going to be using today?
This one is a Gen 1 DAC, so we use the Gen 2 newer DAC.
Okay.
In the N1.
Oh, okay. Did not know that. And what else do we have?
Okay, and this one's a clock generator, so it has a
master clock.
10 MHz master clock is fed to the N1 and K1 XSE.
Okay.
And our preamp is a Grandioso C1X.
Okay.
With its power supply.
Gotcha.
And the main amplifier is Grandioso M1X, Class AB, monoblock, 300 watt into 8 ohms. And this one is a network switch with its dedicated power supply by
Silent Angel. Silent Angel. Yes. Okay. So let me pepper you with a few questions, if you don't mind. Okay. So let me just take it all in. So I understand. So let's talk about the clock, because I'm a big fan of clocks. And so you guys used to have a crystal oscillator, right? Then you moved to an atomic oscillator.
Yes.
Rubidium. Right.
Yes.
And now you're back to a crystal oscillator.
Crystal,
and can you tell us about that just briefly?
Okay. The precision is the best is the rubidium clock, atomic clock. But actually, the atomic clock cannot be customized. We need to use the manufacturer's unit as it is. So the sound variation is not so wide. So we would like to create our own clock because we can tune every part of the module by ourselves.
Okay.
And we also wanted to create our adjustability. So this can create the best temperature control is done inside.
Okay.
So not only the clocks is very important for sound character, and it is not about only the precision is only a one factor. So the power supply and its heater construction.
There's an oven. There's an oven inside there, right?
Yeah, yes. So
about 200 degrees, something like that.
It's 85 degrees.
Oh, 85 degrees.
85.
So I'm off. Okay, gotcha.
So
200 would be pretty high. Yeah. So basically, with the crystal oscillator, you're able to tailor it better for the unit.
Yes.
Customize it better.
Yes, and in terms of sound quality, the crystal oscillator sounds much more natural compared to the rubidium.
Okay.
Rubidium is a little bit tense sound. It's a little bit too high resolution. We need more natural response. Okay. And for the kind of sound character, the crystal is the best.
Well, I know your prior version, you used to be able to hook up a military receiver and get
yes.
the what's the not rubidium, but the clock using the GPS system.
Yes. Hewlett Packard, the military use the crystal oscillator sounds very good.
Right.
And because the module is very big, and also the power supply is very big.
Right.
So we want to use the big power supply, and we want to create a similar sound quality as the Hewlett Packard military oscillator.
Right. So this doesn't have you're not able to hook up a military receiver, right? But
it's much better than that.
But it's still better. Okay, great. And so let's just skip around. Can you tell us on the streamer? Can you tell us about its connectivity?
Connectivity? Okay. The new.
Because I know you got some. I'm sorry to interrupt you. You got some new technologies out, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's got a Generation 4 new network engine, and can be connected with the optical fiber cable.
Okay.
So you can isolate the noise from the network, so you can get more cleaner response.
Okay. So then, what would you then? So is there an optical on the player or on the? How does that work?
It's an SSD player with DAC.
Okay. And so, but where would you connect the optical to?
Actually, this one optical connection is to the network switch.
Okay.
Or router.
Okay, got it.
And the audio signal is the analog signal is coming out both unit to the preamplifier.
Okay. And so you have a 2-box preamplifier. And what's the price on the K1X SC player?
44,000.
44,000. Okay, great. And then we have the 2-box preamp. Okay. What's the pricing on that?
Pricing is 52,000.
Okay. And just real quick, because I want to keep it moving, but I have to ask you on a preamp, right? My attention immediately goes to the volume control. Okay. So can you tell us what because you guys must be doing special. I know. I remember reading somewhere one of your preamps recently had like 1,000 steps in the volume control. Can you tell us about that?
Okay. We use our in-house our special volume control module. Okay. And it's actually an integrated chipset, but internally there's a lot of registers. And by switching the registers, you can get volume level. And a step normally for the preamplifier is around 100 steps, but this one has nearly over 1,000 steps.
That is insane.
Yes.
That is insane. I've never even heard of that before. So
you can control a very tiny level.
Right.
And also,
which is important, actually.
Yes, important as because the sound quality is very important, because in order to control this kind of small level resistance, you need to have a very high level of the production quality.
Right. Okay. Well, and then finally, let's quickly just the amplifiers, right? Very interesting as well. They're beautiful looking. You'll see at home. there's a mesh top to these things. You can see all the innards. It's really, these are stunning amplifiers. What are we talking about as far as power on these amplifiers?
Okay, the output is 300 into 8 ohms,
Okay.
600 into 4 ohms,
Okay.
and 1.2 kilo into 2 ohm, and 2.4 kilo into 1 ohm.
Very nice.
So the output is super linear.
Right, very nice. These, like I said, these are absolutely gorgeous. And you guys brought in a new Class A recently, not so long ago, a Class A amplifier,
Class
correct?
A amplifier.
What would be the difference in the sound quality that you would think between these Class A/B topology and the Class A?
Actually, the sound quality is, I think it is very similar, but we wanted to create two different types of solutions for customers. For the Class AB, you can drive any power-hungry speakers.
Okay.
But the Class A design is not. Class A design is only 50 watts.
50 watts.
So,
Okay.
so for the customer who use a high-efficiency speaker and very no distortion, very pure sound quality, we will recommend to the Class A amplifier. Actually, the designer is the same, so basic tonal character is very close.
Really? Interesting. Okay. Well, this is really like a gorgeous looking system. And did we talk about the price on the amplifiers?
The amplifier is 40,000 each.
Each. Okay.